Hi, I'm Maria here from Beauty Junkees, and today I'm going to be telling you all about the 10-piece Best of Beauty Junkees makeup brush set. At first, you're going to be getting the flat top Kabuki, which is the perfect foundation brush for medium to heavy coverage. The flat top Kabuki brush is perfect to work with liquid and cream products. You'll also be getting the round top Kabuki, which is also a great foundation brush, but this is the perfect complement to mineral makeup and powder application. Up next, you'll be getting the mini tapered Kabuki brush. Now this brush was designed to give you coverage in those hard to reach areas from the inner corner of the eyes, underneath the eyes, on the eyelids, around the nose, pretty much anywhere you need to complete your flawless coverage. You'll also be getting the mini angled Kabuki brush. Now this brush is very versatile in that it can be used for eyeshadow blending. It works really great with cream products because it is a synthetic brush. You can also use it for the rest of the face, under the eyes, for contouring around the nose, for precise contour on the face. It's a very versatile brush. Additionally, for the eyes, you will be getting the Pro Tapered Blending Brush. Now this brush was designed for applying and blending a transition color into the crease of your eyes for a very soft look. Next up in this collection is the Pro Pencil Brush. Now this is another brush that is very versatile as it can be used for smudging liners on the upper lash line as well as applying shadows on the upper lash line. It also works really great for getting precise application in the outer V area of your eyes as well as smoking out shadows on the lower lash line. You can also use it for inner corner highlight. It is that precise pencil shape, so it gets a precise application right there on the inner corner as well as on the brow bone. And if you like to do a little bit of highlight on the tip of the nose, this is the perfect little brush to get right in there. You're also going to get the Pro Brow Brush, which as you can see is dual-ended. You will get one side with this very thin and angled brush head, which is perfect for defining the brows. You can create perfect little hair strokes. You really get defined brows that you want, and this will work great with powders, gels, or pomade. And then additionally, the other side has a spoolie, which is always convenient for brushing out and grooming the brows and brushing through any additional product to help disperse it. Next in the collection is the Pro Duo Fiber Brush. This brush is wonderful. It is so versatile. It's got these long and short bristles, which are amazing for application because you can get a more sheer coverage. You can also build up the coverage you want, and you're going to get flawless airbrush application with this brush. And it's great to use with your bronzer because you can easily just sweep it on and build up the color as you like around your face. You can also use this with blushes and it just applies the perfect wash of color. This is also great to use with setting powders or just powders all over your face. It gives you the perfect blend and diffusion of the powder on your face. You're also going to get the Pro Highlighter Brush, which, as the name suggests, can be used with highlighter for applying highlight to the tips of the cheekbones right here, along the bridge of the nose, at the tip of the nose, applying it on the cupid's bow, chin, above the arch of the brow, pretty much anywhere you want to glow. Lastly, you're going to get the Black Teardrop Makeup Sponge, which is again another very versatile product. The makeup sponge is most famously used for foundation. This shape is perfect because you can use the wider bottom side just to pounce foundation all over your face. You can switch it and use the more pointed tip to really get precise application of concealers right here. But this makeup sponge can also be used with cream products. It's going to apply and blend them like a dream. Just really get some cream contour in there, apply a little blush to your cheeks. It also works really great with skincare or primers. If you don't want to use your hands and you really want a luxurious experience, use your damp makeup sponge to apply your primers or moisturizers all over your face. And that's it. That is the Best of Beauty Junkees makeup brush set and how you use them. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.